Google Play Pass is now available in India for 99 rupees per month or 889 rupees annually. At 99 rupees a month, Google Play Pass is now available in India. Google's Play Store subscription service was first announced in the US in 2019 and has now been available in India for more than 2 years. For a monthly or annual charge, the service allows access to a variety of apps and games. This week, Android smartphone owners can begin using the pass, according to a statement from Google Play. There are already more than 90 countries where the service is currently available, with no advertisements, in-app purchases, or upfront fees for numerous apps and games. More than 1,000 games from 59 countries, including many from India, would be available through Play Pass, according to a statement from the internet giant on Monday morning. According to Google, Play Pass would give Indian app and game creators of all kinds a new way to reach a worldwide audience and generate cash. Google, on the other hand, will continue to work with both global and local developers to bring new games and apps to the platform every month. For Indian users, Google has offered 3 different options. Every customer gets a 1-month free trial before they have to pay 99 rupees a month for the service. Prepaid 1-month subscriptions for the Google Play service would cost 109 rupees while the annual membership is 889 rupees. You can share your Play Pass subscription with up to 5 family members via Google Family Groups. The Play Pass may be accessed by touching the profile symbol at the upper right of the Play Store app and selecting the Play Pass option from the menu. In the Play Store, subscribers can hunt for the Play Pass ticket to gain access to the library of apps and games. The Play Pass will include a wide range of apps and games, including anything from sports, puzzles, and action games to productivity apps. Besides well-known games like Jungle Adventures, World Cricket Battle 2, and Monument Valley, as well as useful apps like Hutter, Unit Converter, and Audio Lab. Google reveals that the pass will also contain a number of lesser-known titles including Photo Studio Pro and Kingdom Rush Frontiers TD. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.